Hey everyone, what's going on? This is Nick with Gold Coast Flooring, and today I'm doing some carpet cleaning in El Dorado Hills. And what I'm doing today is a full house. The lady just purchased their home, and so I'm going to come in and just get everything nice and clean for her. There were some areas that she was concerned about as far as pet odor goes, but I'll get back to that in a minute. And so we're just doing 1,200 square feet today. I think a master bedroom, a small bedroom, and then a living room, dining room, and an office. And before I get started, I came out and did an estimate last week, and her main concern was this area had a very bad pet urine odor smell. And you can see right here when I flip back the carpet, that's a pretty big urine stain right there. And it's very hard to tell without the camera. The camera shows these kind of things better. But you'll notice we have some spill guard padding, so there's not going to be any urine contamination in the pad. It's all going to be in the carpet, and so we don't have to replace any pad or do anything like that. So I'm going to treat it with biomodifier and just pre-spray the backing, maybe a little bit on that tape right there, that masking tape, and then pre-spray the top. And then by the time I get started cleaning, everything will be ready to go. So when I have an empty home like this, after I'm done cleaning an area, I set up my air mover, and then I just get some deodorizer and just spray that deodorizer, and that will fill the room with a great smell. Alright, and this job is complete. So I started it around 8:15, and you know, I was playing around with my camera a little bit, setting some other things up, and I'm finishing around 10:30, so about less than 2 hours. Actual cleaning time is maybe 45 minutes to an hour. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Everything cleaned up really good. Smells great. The only issue with this is, of course, it's a polyester carpet, so you'll notice that the traffic lanes are going to be dark. Unfortunately, if you have polyester carpet, there's just no getting around that. If you don't want dingy areas and you want your carpet to look brand new, there are really only two options: replace it, or when you do have carpet, don't walk on it. Pretty much that's just how polyester carpet works, and that's why I always urge new homeowners or anyone that really wants to invest in their property and create value, go with a nylon carpet. Don't go with a polyester. You're just going to replace it in 5 years, depending on what you pay. And most of the expensive polyester carpet that says 5 to 15 years cost more or the same as nylon carpet, which will last 25 years and longer. If you need carpet cleaning in the El Dorado Hills, California area, give me a call today at 916-312-7000. And if you're a fellow carpet cleaner, hopefully some of these tips helped you out and make your life easier. Again, this is Nick with Gold Coast Flooring. Thanks for watching.